My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2015 Volvo XC60. This vehicle has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, using the buttons just below, we can access navigation, radio,
well, I'm glad you played the
media, smartphone integration, and my car. We also have our AC with heated seats on either side and parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats are cream leather. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.